Yo, what the fuck? Yo, Loomis, man. Yo, listen. 9 lives like Fritz the cat. I was really in the kitchen, yo, cooking up crack. Yo, 9 lives like Fritz the cat. You know, baking soda make it lock up. Bring it back. Yo, not even 10 minutes later, he was hitting my line like, Lou, where you at? Please come back. Like, bring it back. Baking soda, make that shit lock up. Nigga, bring it back. As if I had a receipt, you know, butter knife for whipping, fork and knife. It's a different type of way that we eat when I'm pirate speaking. Ooh, economic language when I'm speaking. Coke whiter than Bernie on a weekend. I got a fiend with me. He took a hit now. Nigga in the corner sitting there looking stupid, tweaking. Yo, listen. 9 lives like Fritz the cat. I was really in the kitchen, yo, whipping up some crack. Yo, 9 lives like Fritz the cat. Hey, yo, why must I feel like that? Why must I whip this crack? Man, it's nothing but the drug dealer in me. Search for a key. Ooh, been looking so much, my eyes hurt. Turn that flame down low. The last thing you want is for that coke to get burnt. Turn that shit down. Knew it was real when that shit started locking up. The fork didn't turn. This shit ain't. Wait. Yo, listen, turn it, yo. 9 lives like Fritz the cat. I was really in the kitchen, yo, whipping up some crack. Yo, 9 lives like Fritz. In love with these bricks. She said, Gustavo, I love you. Then show me your tits. Putting on for the fucking Ritz. Up in the spot, got 2 for 5 and 3 for 10 hits. Yo, what they want? Prepare for the sack and watch for the blitz. There they go. Niggas run deep like a Hail Mary, nigga. I'm about to throw a brick. Touchdown in the end zone. Smoke in the zone. Untouchable like Al Capone. These niggas don't fuck with me, but they can't leave me alone. All of my stories steady watching. Look, I enter the ring with a mask on like Bernard Hopkins. Corny niggas watch Polly a Lockman. I'm cooking chicken for real, the grease popping. Yo, 9 lives like Fritz the cat. Woo. I was really smoking a pack. I was a legend like an act. Matter of fact, yo, remember when Kenneth Hill had the Vigora? I was bagging cocaine on my mom's mirror. Please don't tell her. Don't tell her. Coke oil coming back. That shit was brown like Nutella. Yo, 9 lives like Fritz. I was in search for a fucking brick. Where? 9 lives like Fritz the cat. I was really in the kitchen, yo, whipping up a pack, man. 9 lives like Fritz. M.O.B. over here, nigga, fuck a bitch. Fuck yo, 9 lives like I'm Fritz. Cooking the O in the field while I'm playing defense. Yo, 9 lives like a Ritz. O-line got rollies, prepare for the blitz. Watch them shots. 9 lives like I'm Fritz the cat. I was in the kitchen, yo, really whipping up a pack. Yeah, man. Yo, listen, 9 lives like Fritz the cat. Dr.Loomis, please bring it back. Yo, Loomis, 9 lives like Fritz the cat. Hold up, wait. Yo, stove damn too hot, man. Turn it down. Turn it down. I keep telling you, motherfuckers, that economic sound. Bunch of hip hoppers and boomers, yo. It's Gustavo. What? Dr. Loomis. Loomis. Damn, 9 lives like Fritz.
You are now tuned in to Narco Radio. Narconomics.